how to create Bumble account. So if you want to create a Bumble account, then first you need to make sure that you installed Bumble dating app. After that, launch the application. After launching, now if you already have an account, you can go with I have an account, but here we are trying to create one. So go with create an account. Now you need to enter your phone number, tap on OK. After that, you will receive a verification code to your mobile number. So enter that code and then go with the arrow. If you want to set your location services, you can go with allow. Now enter your first and last name and then enter your date of birth. If this is your correct age, tap on confirm and then go and select your gender. Then if you want to show it on your profile, you can go with the arrow which will be on the bottom, enter your email address, then click on yes. And then if you're here to find a relationship, you can go with date. Or if you want to make some new friends, you can go with BFF. And go with the arrow which will be in the bottom. And then it's time to put a face to the name. So tap on the plus button and then upload some photos of yours. After adding the photos, you need to go with the arrow which will be on the right side. Now tap on got it. Select some options. Tap on I accept which will be on the bottom. And then allow the notification and location settings. And that's it. Your account has been created. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.